Hi everyone, this is Chao with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic Messages and Blessings Coming Your Way in July 2021. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a cute little red car, and this is pile B, which is a book. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. I would also like to add here that this reading is relevant for July 2021, so whenever you stumble upon it in the course of the month, you can have a look at it because the messages are just for you. Those of you who pick pile A, which is this car, certainly there's going to be movement on the cars this July. Possibly, some of you may be planning to relocate as well. I think you're quite ambitious and quite driven also. Perhaps many of you will also find yourself in the driver's seat. I think you also desire financial independence, pile A, or maybe you're also moving up the career ladder this month. Things are certainly looking up for you this July. Let's just keep this aside for now. Or perhaps some of you are also thinking about investing in a car this month. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the Hermit card. Certainly insight is going to be there. Possibly you're going to gain perspective. Oftentimes, you may be in a contemplative mode. You may be stepping aside or you may be distancing yourself from others because you want to gather knowledge or you want to delve deeper. This self-isolation could also mean that you may suffer from loneliness. So perhaps it would be best to seek company which you desire or which you like. In personal relationships also, I think you may feel a bit lost. Maybe you feel unwanted within the home front. Ideally, I think pile A, you should not presuppose things. Maybe your assumptions are going to amount to nothing. Perhaps you may feel as though you are the one who has to make sacrifices. Even your mother may say that you're imagining things. Sometimes, it's best to clarify before you jump to conclusions. I think it would also be best to distance yourself from the financial dealings of your family members. The next card in this reading is the Four of Wands. Again, the home is your concern this month. Many of you could also be wanting to make those home improvements. Like I said, you could be relocating this month. Surprises are definitely in store for you in July. I think your personal charisma or your charm is also going to be at its peak towards the latter half of the month. And this is certainly not going to go unnoticed. Even while work is concerned, you will be bogged down on account of work. This is certainly the time to look for new job opportunities. Even as an employee, you're somebody who's going to push the envelope. Maybe you will be able to complete a lot of work because you're quite driven this month. By the way, your boss is somebody who's going to be quite impressed with your ability or your output. Besides, you have the capacity to be ahead of the pack, while the other co-workers may simply be stealing your ideas. Jealousy and envy is something that you have to counter this month. But like I said, your superior is well aware of your talents. Sometimes, you could also be under pressure because there are unruly colleagues. They don't follow the instructions or they don't abide by their timings. Paperwork is also going to increase this month. Perhaps you should do some spiritual cleansing as well. It could benefit you, get rid of the negative environment or the negative energy or the harsh energies that are there. You can get rid of these harsh energies by using crystals. This is the next card in your reading. So certainly your angels are asking you to use them for your chakras, for energy alignment. Perhaps you can use amethyst or clear quartz for your crown chakra. Or for the heart chakra, you can use this rose quartz, which is your... You can also use crystals in your home environment or in your office space to declutter. The next card in this reading is Author. Perhaps pile A, you have a book inside of you that wishes to be expressed. Maybe you should pen down your thoughts. Maybe you could join a writer's group as well. The main point here, which is being outlined, is that you need to get down to write that book. Besides, the pen is always mightier than the sword. Incidentally, we also have this card, Letter from Lenormand. Possibly many of you could also be writing letters. Basically, the written word is going to be playing the key here. Communication could also increase, maybe via email or text messages could be shared. Maybe some of you are also dealing with official documents, you want to get your licenses renewed, or perhaps because of that educational degree, you're going to get your certificates and diplomas. Your angels are also asking you to put your documents in order this month. Remarkably, we also have Mercury here, which is again talking about communication, how you think, communicate, write, talk, and travel. Basically, your current energy is focused on writing, on communication. Like I said, you have picked up the red car. So certainly, you're also somebody who wants to travel or you want to commute great distances. You're also being encouraged to have discussions, to listen to the viewpoint of others. Maybe you should explain yourself well enough to avoid those misunderstandings. Like I said, you may feel that your voice is not heard. So this is a time to talk about those thoughts which are bothering you. Mercury is also a planet which is talking about learning. There could also be insight which you're going to gain. Maybe there could be flashes of inspiration or coincidences this July. Many of you could also be concerned about your siblings. Maybe they are involved with the matter in hand. Incidentally, from Tarot, we did have the Four of Wands. So the home is something which could be a concern for you here. From the Vintage Wisdom Oracle cards, we have harmony here. You want everything to be in alignment. You want everything to be in agreement. You know, this card is depicting Orpheus. He was a musician to God. He is playing his lyre here in a secluded temple. You know, the melody that Orpheus created enchanted and unified all animals, birds, and beings. That is why you're also being asked to release any possible feeling of conflict, judgments, or maybe you should not self-isolate yourself. Ideally, there shouldn't be discord within your environment. You should listen to the needs of others. Furthermore, you're also being called upon to listen to your own soul. Archangel Raphael is also talking about unconditional joy here. You know, this card is reminding us that you can experience joy no matter what's happening around you in your life. You shouldn't put preconditions, because you know, when we put preconditions or when we have expectations from others, then it gives us a lot of stress. I think you should go with the flow. You shouldn't put those preconditions that I'll be happy if I achieve this or that. Rather, you should maintain a light-hearted, cheerful mindset for increased vitality. Perhaps, Pile, you're being called upon to be grateful for what you have. Maybe you should focus your thoughts on the here and now rather than think about too far ahead. Basically, you're being asked by Archangel Raphael to enjoy each moment. You should also be in the company of pets here, perhaps a dog or even a cat. Or perhaps you should look at the birds outside in the sky and enjoy the pleasures of nature. From the Romance Angel deck, we have this card, getting to know each other. Perhaps you are being asked to create intimacy with your partner by revealing your true feelings. Maybe you should not be in hermit mode. Maybe you should not be closed off in your relationship with this person. I think you will feel lighter if you talk about your innermost desires or your dreams. You will definitely benefit if you have an honest dialogue with your person. You know, Pile, you did pick up the car, so it's possible that you should undertake that journey to know your beloved even better, or perhaps you should travel to be with that person. Archangel Michael is also asking you to purify or detoxify. Maybe you should also focus on other people's good qualities rather than harp on their mistakes. Incidentally, we do have this dog here or puppy here again in your reading. So certainly you should spend time with animals, or you should spend time with nature. You should also forgive yourself if you're feeling guilty. Maybe there are residual energies from a past mistake that you have made. So release all self-blame from yourself, from your mind, your body and emotions, to feel free or to experience unconditional joy in your life. Perhaps even in a love connection, Pile, you should be innocent, you should be flirtatious, you should be open to the prospect of new love. It's also possible that you could be dealing with the twin flame, because we do have the Four of Wands here. I think well-meaning conversations are going to be there. There's going to be mental compatibility with this person if you discuss your innermost desires. You know, it's no point dwelling in the past. You're being called upon to move on from past issues that you have. Besides, the past has no bearing on your current state. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have this card, relationship dynamics. Certainly, there are going to be some changes in your relationship. Maybe you feel that your person is not being honest or sincere, or your person is hiding things from you. That is why you want to talk about the same. You want to iron out the differences. Even at work, you should talk things out. There's no point holding grudges. Some of you could be growing apart in a relationship, or perhaps a new person is also entering your life this month. The last card in your reading is coming into power from the Denise Lynn Oracle deck. Like this lady here, she seems to be in control. The light is shining down on her. So certainly this month, your own radiance will help others, or it will benefit others. I think it is your strength which is going to heal others this month. Besides, you have picked up the car, so you have the gifts to realize your potential, to reclaim your authority. You're definitely coming across as someone who is going to stand tall this month. I hope, Piley, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. You picked Pile B, which is a book here. Certainly, you're interested in education and learning. Maybe you're going to gather knowledge, or you're going to research. Perhaps a book could evoke certain memories in you, or perhaps you could be buying a book or joining that library. Interestingly, I'm also picking up that many people could be regarding you as an escapist. It's quite likely that you could immerse yourself in that favorite book of yours to get away from the world. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the Queen of Pentacles. Surely you're somebody who's going to make gains, but you should look at the larger picture. I think your concern could be financial matters or money matters. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you should save for the rainy day. Maybe at times you could feel let down by people around you. Knives are also being sharpened behind your back, so you should be careful. This month is also the time when you will be renewing contact with somebody. Maybe you will be gripped by nostalgia as well. Pile B, you're also being called upon to assert your authority. Maybe people are taking you for granted. You could also be bothered on account of technological gadgets. Maybe they could malfunction. Another thing, Pile B, your health could also be a matter of concern here. This is quite ironic because we have books in your reading. Your angels are asking you to gain knowledge, and you did pick up the book, Pile B. So certainly you already know that there's something which you need to learn, or you need to gain perspective this month. Like I said, you need to immerse yourself in research of some kind for answers that you're looking for. Some of you could also be desiring to write that book. The pen is mightier than the sword. So in case you want to put people in their place, maybe you should write them a note. Many of you could also be in the publishing business, or you could be a teacher. You're imparting knowledge to those around you or those younger than you. Perhaps on account of the circumstances that you find yourself in, that is why you're going to be a bit withdrawn. You could also be sensitive to whatever is going on around you. It's quite likely that you could overreact, or you could be quite touchy. Maybe you should look closely, and you should understand whether the harsh energies of people around you is affecting you. Ideally, I think, Pile B, you should also have a more cooperative approach. I think you're also a loner because you want to get away from the world around you. You want to read those books in silence. Ideally, I think, Pile B, you should be more happy, and you should establish those boundaries so that you're not affected by what's going on around you. Incidentally, the next card from Lenormand is Tower card. Again, this is also a card which talks about isolating yourself. You could be in a position of authority, but you should be careful of what's going on around you. Maybe you should not isolate yourself. For some of you, it could also represent legal matters or court cases. Earlier in this reading, we did talk about you wanting to assert your authority, so this is the time to do so. Maybe there are problems in a relationship that you need to address. From the astrology reading card, we have Aries. Possibly you're dealing with the fire signs, that is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. It's all possible that you could be quite impulsive. Maybe you're like that gallant knight, you want to slay the dragons, or you want to get rid of those who are affecting you in a negative way. Maybe you're somebody who is in adventurous mode, you want to go to the next conquest. It's quite likely this month you're going to throw caution to the wind. You want to get to the bottom of things. You want to understand what's going on. From the Vintage Wisdom Oracle cards, we have this card, Power. You do have the Tower here from Lenormand, and now we have Power. So certainly you're going to exude power. This card certainly talks about triumph. If you look closely, there's a cheetah right here at the feet. So somebody is going to be there who is going to seek forgiveness, or who is going to kiss your feet asking for forgiveness. Basically, Palbi, you're somebody who is going to inspire both awe and respect. I think you're also going to gain strength and wisdom this month from within, or you're going to be someone who will dive deep into your inner self to get over the power struggle that is going on around you. You're somebody who needs to reclaim control, maybe from a particular person or a situation. As we did talk about that you are feeling let down or betrayed this month. You may have also noticed that this lady is being surrounded by golden light here. The aura of golden light is there, which is kind of protecting her. I think this proves that she has earned the necessary wisdom and she is using it responsibly. Archangel Raphael is also reassuring you that you are going to recover, or maybe somebody around you is unwell. So that is why this is quite a positive card. Maybe there are going to be positive developments with respect to a health matter. Expect a miracle or expect a miraculous recovery, he says. Some of you also need to enter a recovery program. Maybe you need to get away from those toxic addiction. Any healing this month should revolve around your heart chakra or the throat chakra. Maybe spondylitis could also affect some of you, so that means the neck and the spine is affected here. Incidentally, the star card also talks about the back, so your backbone could be affected. But then Archangel Michael is telling you that you needn't stress over it, because you're going to get out of this situation as well, and you will be hale and hearty soon. We also have new love, or somebody is entering your life, or somebody could pique your interest this month. Perhaps you should open your heart chakra, because I did ask you to heal your heart chakra. So this person and you will share some connection of sorts. Besides, you will realize that this connection is mutual and real. Even if you're already in a romantic connection, there's a possibility that there could be somebody new. That is why I think you should confront the issues in your present relationship that left your emotional doors open for someone else. All in all, Palbi, your admirers are going to be smitten. Even married men could be insecure in your presence. Archangel Michael is also telling you, you created the situation and you have the power to change it. The word seems to recur here because we do have power earlier in this reading, and now Archangel Michael is also telling that you need to reclaim your power. You have the power to alter the situations that are there. Basically, you have the power or the skills to rise above and change everything in this situation or in a relationship. Perhaps you should not blame others. Sometimes, you may feel that others are controlling you, or you may feel as though you are stuck in a situation. Ideally, I think you should let go of blame towards yourself or even of others. You should forgive yourself. Or maybe you should have an honest discussion with the person and resolve your karma or the issues that are bothering you this month. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have this card, Adult Children. In case you are a parent, then you may observe that your child is wise beyond yours. Maybe the child is quite young, but then he or she seems to be quite intelligent or is worldly wise. Perhaps you're also discussing their future or your children's future, that is their educational needs, because you do have the book here. You need to understand that they will leave the roost sooner or later, so that is why you're being asked to be prepared for the same. Even in situations, Palbi, you have to act from a place of wisdom. You have to act maturely. The last card in your reading is Savoring Pleasure. Perhaps you should fill your life with people and experiences or places that bring you delight and joy. Maybe you should surround yourself with beauty and sumptuous pleasures. Maybe you are also being asked to cherish your friendships this month. All in all, Pile B, this is the month when you will be quite impulsive. You're also going to be somebody who's going to be quite withdrawn at times. Perhaps you're going to gain new insight and perspective. You're going to gain that spiritual knowledge or wisdom which is necessary as you step out into the world. Certainly, these are the life lessons that are going to stand you in good stead, Pile B. I hope, Pile B, you liked your reading. This is Char with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.